Finally home. It's been raining all day. Alright, where are my two keys? Alright, let's put this umbrella where it belongs. Let's put the umbrella where it belongs now and put the keys here. Alright, kids, I'm home. I'm just gonna go and put these in the fridge now. I'm very tired. It has been raining like all day long, and just in this moment, the food has to run out. Alright, now that the food is in its place, I'm just gonna go and put the bag somewhere. Cause I didn't not go out to put this trash at the moment. Hey kids! Hi mom! Hi mommy! How was it being home alone for just like 20 minutes? It's fine. We're just watching the TVs. Okay, I'll just put the pad right over here and there we go. But it's now I'm gonna do change now. Okay, mom, I'm just gonna do change now. It was so cold today. I was freezing while I was outside on the way as the car is right now not here. It's on repair. There's it broke down somehow. I don't really quite remember. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and change into this blue outfit. It's very comfortable but not for sleep. And it's quite cold as well. But then I'm gonna go make myself a cup of hot coffee or tea. It's just like I like both, but I think hot coffee is the best option right now. Mm. Hot coffee really smells good right now. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sit down and watch some TV with the kids. Okay, now that I'm done eating the coffee, now I'm just gonna do and put this in the scent cupboard. I'm just gonna wash this later in the morning because I'm right now too tired to do it. So I'm just gonna put it over here and use the cupboard. And then I'm just gonna go and put the kids to bed. Oh yeah, I will also do the laundry by the way. And cleaning. Let's get started on the cleaning. Right, I'm just gonna clean this room first and then I'm just gonna clean it over here. Basically all the rugs as they get dirty over time. It has been about a month or so since I've last cleaned it. And yeah, I'm just trying to clean this rug now. Also the house is a bit new so it isn't really full furnished as it takes lots of time to furnish it. Alright, now I'm gonna do the laundry. Okay, I'm just gonna head up to the bedroom now so I can do the laundry. Alright, now that I'm up here, let's see what I need. Right, I made this outfit. It's been a while since I watched it. This, just these three in my closet, and I'm just gonna get this and this, just two from his one. Now I'm just gonna put it in the basket and go and see if Phoebe and Alice has anything. Hmm. Mm-hmm. He has some very nice outfits, but I think these ones still need to go. And yeah, and I'm just gonna get the outfits out that we need. And yeah, this each will go and do the laundry. Right, and downstairs now. And let's put it in the washing machine. I'm just gonna go and put it up in the morning. This dress, let's get everything out. Let's put everything in here. Oops, I forgot this outfit. Alright, now it's done. So I'm just gonna go now. Okay kids, it's time for bed now. Okay mom. Okay mommy. Well, yeah, like Alice is going to convince Bert who he said this exactly, but anyways. Okay, now I'm gonna first put Xavier and Matilda to bed as they're the youngest while they get dressed. Okay, so I'm just gonna put Matilda and Xavier to bed first since they're the youngest and need to sleep first so they can have the night rest. Okay, I, okay, and by the way guys, Xavier was trying so I gave him a pacifier but now he had stopped trying so I'm just gonna take out the pacifier as I do not trust that it's with the pacifier at night when I do not watch them or supervise. Okay guys, now let's see if the girls had changed into the sleepwear or not. Oh, you guys have not changed yet? Yeah, we are waiting for you. Yeah. Alright. What? Yeah, I wonder what I should wear. Wait, I'm already wearing my clothes. But whatever, I'm just gonna put the hood on. Blubber, blubber, blubber. That's what they're always doing. Okay, now I'm just gonna put the hood on now. Mom, I'm done. Oh, that's so the honey. I'm not the ginger sister. What do you want to wear, honey? I want to wear the drapey just with the dots you dot me. Wait, let me just put this chair over here. This one? Mm-hmm. Oh, now let's let you change into that. Alright, there we go. And I'm just gonna put this bed here over here. Sister. Oh, it's like you guys are done. Took you long enough. Oh, so that I like put the just like table over here earlier in the morning. Said he was move it later tomorrow, and yeah. Oh, okay, honey. But now you should go to sleep. Here we go. Good night. Mwah, mwah. Good night, kids. Alright, now I finally go to bed.